Steps for clemency and pardon in Illinois. 1. Petition submission. File a petition for clemency, pardon with the Illinois Prisoner Review Board, PRB. Include case details, reasons for clemency, rehabilitation evidence, and support letters. 2. PRB review and docketing. PRB staff reviews the petition for completeness. Petition is placed on the public hearing docket. 3. Public hearing. The petitioner, or attorney, may present their case before PRB members. Petitioner may appear with their supporters, but no more than 4 people may speak during a presentation. Victims, prosecutors, and others may provide testimony. 4. PRB deliberation. After hearings, the PRB reviews all evidence and testimony. The PRB votes on a confidential recommendation to the governor. 5. Governor's decision. The governor has final authority. Options: grant clemency, pardon, with or without expungement, deny the petition, take no action. 6. Notification. The petitioner is notified in writing of the governor's decision. If granted, relief may include pardon with expungement, removes conviction record, commutation of sentence, reduces punishment, restoration of rights.